This feature is known as SMS verification codes, and it's found on most Android phones that run with Google services. This here is a Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. I'll show you where to find this feature, what it does, and how you can use it to your advantage. To find this feature, go into the quick access of your Nothing phone, do a full swipe with 2 fingers, and tap on the settings icon right here. Once in this section, in this part here, you cannot search it and find it. So if you type in SMS verification, it's not going to show up as a suggestion, in which you'll have to actually find it, which is why I'm doing this video. So from here, you'll go down to the part that says Google right here, this option here. And as you enter into Google, you'll see where it says Google Services. Your email will be shown here, which I did put up the screen so you won't see my email. And you want to go to where it says All Services right here. As you tap on All Services, you're going to see these different options. And the one you're going down to is pass all this into the autofill section. The last option, SMS verification codes. So what does this feature really do now that you're here? So basically, have you ever been registering to an app or need to log into an email or an account, and they would most likely send you a verification code through your SMS or your messaging receiving app? That code will appear through a message or an SMS, and for most of us, we'll probably have to go into the app itself, open up the message, view the number, either memorize it or copy it, and then paste it into the part where you have to put in the number. However, with this feature here, once the SMS verification code has been sent to your Messages app, you will see it there. And instead of having to go into the app and all that, in most cases, it's going to automatically fill into that section that the numbers need to be placed in automatically. And this will work best with browsers. If you're using especially a Google Chrome browser, that's going to work best with that. And of course, that's how this is. And if you don't want this feature, you still want to manually put it in, then just come here and turn it off, like and sub.